Nietzsche's quote, "In heaven, all the interesting people are missing," humorously critiques traditional religion's moral framework. He argues that heaven attracts obedient, polite, rule-following individuals considered good, but often boring, lacking passion and creativity. In contrast, interesting people, bold, rebellious, curious, and creative, are labeled sinners and excluded. Nietzsche implies heaven prioritizes conformity over vibrant individuality, making it dull. He's criticizing systems that punish nonconformity, suggesting true value lies in passionate, unconventional lives, not rigid obedience. This captures Nietzsche's point that heaven favors the obedient and rule-abiding boring. Interesting people, creative, rebellious, passionate, are excluded, labeled sinners. Critique targets moral systems suppressing individuality and intensity.